This is why Zimbabwe's gold-backed currency, ZAG, is facing serious trouble and what it means for you. In 2024, CCC MP Dissent Bajila accused the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority of undermining ZIG by auctioning goods exclusively in USD. This has led to a crisis of confidence in the new currency. Introduced in April 2024, ZiG was meant to replace the Zimbabwean dollar, ZWL, with a full transition deadline by September 1, 2024. However, Bajila urged Finance Minister Mthuli Nkubi to allow payments in local currency to stabilize the situation. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe hoped ZIG would bring economic stability, but the exclusive use of USD in auctions signals underlying issues. The question now is, will the government take steps to restore faith in ZIG? Stay informed and keep an eye on how this unfolds. Subscribe for more updates on Zimbabwe's daily breaking news.